Welcome to the benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the health benefits of Brazil nuts. If you value positive health information and want to enrich your whole body, mind, and spirit with the latest science-backed information, please like and subscribe. Nutrient-rich Brazil nuts are a valuable addition to a balanced diet due to their numerous health benefits. They come from the Bertholletia excelsa tree in the Amazon rainforest and are loaded with macronutrients, micronutrients, and bioactive compounds that add to various health aspects. Brazil nuts are an excellent source of selenium, a mineral that functions as a potent antioxidant and is crucial for immune function. Selenium is instrumental in mitigating oxidative stress, which, if unchecked, can cause cellular damage and inflammation. The high selenium content also boosts immune function, helping to ward off infections and chronic diseases. Just 1 to 2 Brazil nuts can fulfill and even exceed the daily recommended intake, aiding in cellular repair and regeneration. Selenium plays a vital role in thyroid health by aiding in the production and regulation of thyroid hormones. Selenium-dependent enzymes convert T4 into T3, which is the active thyroid hormone. Selenium is linked to enhanced thyroid function and a lower risk of autoimmune thyroid conditions, including Hashimoto's thyroiditis and Graves' disease. Brazil nuts are abundant in heart-healthy unsaturated fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids, which contribute to lowering harmful LDL cholesterol levels. By reducing LDL cholesterol, the risk of cardiovascular diseases is decreased due to the prevention of arterial plaque accumulation. The blend of healthy fats, selenium, and various antioxidants found in Brazil nuts is key to their anti-inflammatory properties. Consistent consumption has been shown to decrease inflammation markers within the body, which can reduce the risk of heart disease and enhance heart health overall. Selenium's role as an antioxidant not only supports general cellular health, but has also been shown to lower the risk of certain cancers. Research indicates that elevated selenium levels may be associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers, including prostate, lung, and colorectal cancers. This protective effect could stem from selenium's ability to shield cells from DNA damage, a key process in cancer development. Brazil nuts are rich in ellagic acid, a compound known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and potential anti-carcinogenic effects. Ellagic acid is believed to aid in cancer prevention by hindering the proliferation of cancer cells and promoting apoptosis in malignant cells. They could be beneficial for brain health due to their selenium content and other compounds that guard against cognitive decline. Oxidative stress contributes to neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, and the antioxidants present in Brazil nuts help reduce this risk. Additionally, selenium plays a crucial role in mood regulation by affecting the production of neurotransmitters and hormones like serotonin. Insufficient selenium levels are linked to an increased risk of mood disorders such as anxiety and depression. Brazil nuts are rich in protein and fiber, which help promote fullness and can lower total calorie consumption, assisting with weight control. Additionally, the healthy fats in these nuts ensure a sustained energy release, helping to stave off hunger for extended periods. The high selenium content in Brazil nuts is beneficial for metabolic health, as it aids in improving thyroid gland function. A properly functioning thyroid is vital for maintaining an optimal metabolic rate, which is key for sustaining energy levels and burning calories. I eat them frequently. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Remember to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the benefits of channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.